Hi everyone, this is the 6th class in the series of lectures on common idioms and phrases. All bark and no bite. This describes someone who appears aggressive but is not actually dangerous. He seems threatening, but he's all bark and no bite. Bend over backwards. Willing to do anything to help someone. Brandon would bend over backwards for Hannah if she asked him to. Turn a blind eye. Refuse to acknowledge something. The committee turned a blind eye to the corruption charges. Apple of someone's eye. Someone who's loved the most. His youngest daughter is the apple of his eye. Pulling someone's leg. Tricking someone as a joke. Ignore him. He's just pulling your leg. Knee-jerk reaction. Quick and automatic response. That was a knee-jerk reaction to hearing about the accident. In the bag. To have something secured. We've got this game in the bag. Dropping like flies. A large number of people either falling ill or out of action. It's too hot down there. My workers are dropping like flies. Under the weather. Feeling ill or sick. Lupita is feeling a little under the weather. Tie the knot. To get married. Mark and Judy tied the knot in Las Vegas. The ball is in your court. It is your decision this time. Well, I've told you what I think. The ball is in your court now. Pull the plug. To stop something or bring something to an end. This project is going nowhere. It's time to pull the plug. Bite off more than you can chew. To take on a task that is way too big. Rebecca has bitten off more than she can chew this time. Drink like a fish. To drink very heavily, usually referring to alcohol. Danny is clearly an alcoholic. He drinks like a fish. Best of both worlds. There are two choices, and you want or have them both. Kelly has the best of both worlds, the perfect job and the perfect marriage. Loose cannon. Someone who is unpredictable and can cause damage if not kept in check. Eugene is a bit of a loose cannon. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.